동네에서 사람 죽어나가는 거 그놈이랑 뭔 연관이 있는 거요?
Top 10 international zombie movies. These international zombie movies list have a different take compared to the Hollywood portrayal of zombie movies. For all the non-Hollywood movie suggestions and reviews, subscribe to Non-Hollywood. Rick 2. Rick 2 is a Spanish film, the sequel of Rick 1. If you loved Rick 1, you'll definitely like this film. It's a horror thriller movie with an IMDb rating of 6.5. The story is as follows. A doctor and a SWAT team enters into a quarantine building where a virus-affected residents are there, and they are turned into zombies. What happened to the doctor and the SWAT team is the story.
This summer.
I Am a Hero. I Am a Hero is a Japanese action zombie film adapted from manga series. It has a Rotten Tomatoes rating of 91%. I felt few things in this film a bit strange, but I liked this film. The story tells us about Hiro, a manga comic writer, who is seen as a zero by the society due to his fear and soft nature. When the zombie apocalypse comes, he promises a young girl to protect her. How he protected her, till what extent he went to protect her, and how he became a hero from zero is the story.
화제작 600만 부 판매 대작 I am a hero. 지금까지의 좀비 영화는 잊어라.
One Cut of the Dead. One Cut of the Dead is a horror comedy movie from Japan. It has a Rotten Tomatoes rating of 100% and IMDb rating of 7.7. The story is as follows. While a low-budget zombie film is shot, things go so crazy, the real zombies appears at the shooting spot and initially were thought as actors with makeup by the crew and ignored. If you want to watch a crazy comedy, you have to definitely watch this movie. Alive. Alive is a South Korean zombie movie. It has a Rotten Tomatoes rating of 88%. This thriller drama tells us the story of a boy who gets trapped in his apartment alone with a lot of zombies all around his apartment. So he can't step out of his apartment even though his food and water resources are limited. So how he managed to survive with the zombies for 21 days is the story. This is more like a survival movie. Rembok Berlin Undead. This German zombie movie has IMDb rating of 6.3 and Rotten Tomatoes rating of 89%. The story is as follows. When Michael arrives in the city to visit his girlfriend, he realizes that a virus outbreak has happened in the city and his girlfriend is stuck inside an apartment with zombies all around the apartment. How he managed to save her is the story.
इन सब में मुझे एक कन्फेशन और चाहिए।
Gaul. Gaul is actually a mini series with only 3 episodes, so it's added into this list. It's available on Netflix with IMDb rating of 7.1 and Rotten Tomatoes rating of 88%. The storyline is as follows. When new prisoners arrives at military detention center, one of the prisoners behaves like a super powerful zombie with the help of black magic.
아바마마께서는 어디 계시오? 아바마마께 무슨
Kingdom. Kingdom is a South Korean TV show on Netflix with an IMDb rating of 8.4 and Rotten Tomatoes rating of 96%. It's complicated to explain the entire 2 seasons in a single storyline. You have to definitely check this series. It's a must-watch series. You'll definitely love it.
아바마마께 무슨 조학조의 반응이 크게 달했습니다. 도와주십시오. 이 나라 모든 곳에 역병이 퍼질 것이다. 막아야 한다.
세자는요?
요새 자꾸 동네에서 사람 죽어나가는 거. 그놈이랑 뭔 연관이 있는 거요?
Wailing. Wailing is a horror thriller movie from South Korea with IMDb rating of 7.5 and Rotten Tomatoes rating of 99%. It's not exactly a zombie movie, but somewhat close to it. The storyline is as follows. In a village, people start to behave like zombies and they start eating whatever they found. But unlike the traditional movies, here people behave like zombies due to black magic, not due to some many virus.
직접 본 거야?
한번
요새 자꾸 동네에서 사람 죽어나가는 거. 그놈이랑 뭔 연관이 있는 거요? 직접 본 거야?
한번 봤지? 이상해 사람들이 그놈이 자꾸 눈에 뵈는 것은 그놈이 자꾸
La situación es insostenible. Hay 2 muertos.
Record 2007. I think this horror thriller also got an Hollywood adaptation with the name Quarantine in 2008. Although I'm not sure about this information, this is a very interesting movie. A TV host and her cameraman goes into an apartment, but the police seals the apartment due to some reasons, so they're stuck in the apartment with an inhuman inside the apartment. This is a nail-biting thriller. I like the fact that this film is shown like a camera footage. I would say this film is not for everyone because some people don't like shaky cameras and recorded type of footage movies. This film has a IMDb rating of 7.4 and a Rotten Tomatoes rating of 89%.
De nuestra ciudad. Ha anunciado el agente de sanidad, acaba de entrar en el edificio.
Y nos van a seguir diciendo que no pasa nada, ¿no?
¡Tú deja de grabar de una puta vez, joder!
La situación es insostenible. Hay 2 muertos.
Dan setelah dia masuk ke aliran darah tubuh manusia,
Donc plus rien à manger.
Train to Busan. It's an action zombie film. The story is as follows. The lead and his daughter are in a train to see his wife, but in South Korea, an outbreak takes place. Outside world turns into a zombie world where there are a good number of humans stuck in a running train with zombies. The main interesting point in this film is these humans have to survive by hiding inside the train without getting noticed until they reach Busan to survive. This movie became very popular all around the world and got dubbed into many languages. If you're lucky, you can get this movie in your own language. The interesting part about this movie is unlike other zombie films, there were no guns to handle the zombies. You will love watching this film.
지금 무슨 일이 벌어지고 있는지 몰라? 우리 열차는 더 이상 부산으로 노래.
If you like our content, consider subscribing us. We are your one-stop destination for all the non-Hollywood content.